Greetings, my queen. Greetings, Prince
I greet you,
Ugonna. Greetings, Prince Ugonna. You are welcome to my humble home.
Go to my friend. Usonwa.
Greetings, my queen.
How are you too?
I am fine, my queen. My prince, I greet you.
Thank you.
Please come inside.
Oh, I prefer we stay here.
Someone, go get the rag to clean their chairs. Let me get other chairs. Okay. Please. Tell my daughter to help me to carry this.
Yes.
Let me get another chair, please.
Hey, thank God you are here. Your mother said you should come and help us to take those food items inside.
Huh?
You should come and help us to take those food items inside.
You're very stupid. You're very stupid. What's the meaning of that?
Why are you slapping me?
Who do you think you have to come and tell me? My mother said that you should come and help. You're still talking. Well, are you talking back at me?
No, I just told you what your mother said.
Are you talking back at me? Are you mad? You know what?
Beating me.
What do you mean why am I beating you? Why do you mean why am I beating you? Why won't people leave me alone? What is your problem? I was told to go and get something. I've gone to get it, and you are coming to tell me. You are coming to tell me you in that parlor. Eh?
I don't like this. Why?
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
My friends, how are you?
I'm good.
You're looking good.
My friend.
My good friend.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
I am happy.
I can see.
So I'll be back.
Okay.
Just feel at home. Relax. You should be back soon, okay?
Chukwado has been there for over 30 minutes now. She's been there for long. But I believe she must be giving Collins the lecture of his life by now. Ah! Collins, you have met your match. You have met your match. Chukwado will talk sense into you. It turned out to Madokai. They made. Trust Chukwado now. How come a beautiful and intelligent girl like you ended up with that loser Ibuka? Yes, he's my brother. I'm sorry to say, he's a dog. Yes. Don't you think he doesn't deserve you?
Sir, you know, Ibuka is my friend, and I love him as a brother. We've been friends since from the village. We are very close though. We are very close, very close. But there's nothing between us, absolutely nothing, nothing intimate. Just you have to be friends.
I see.
Yes, sir.
Chukwado.
Sir.
Stop this sad thing. Call me Collins.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, Collins.
You're funny. I like you. What do you think?
You like me? Sir. Sir, I think I like you too. You look like a nice person.
Thank you. You know what?
What, sir?
Because of you, I will look into Ibuka's matter.
Hey, thank you.
I am not promising anything.
So no. You thinking about it alone is enough for me. Let me come home.
Jealousy can never end you anything good. 'Cause it's so dangerous. So dangerous.
Stop, please. Please. What you're doing breaks my heart. Okay? I had to see you in this mood.
Son, You know I cannot stay angry with you for too long. It's just that it breaks my heart too to watch you make costly mistakes. Yes.
Mom, Usonwa is not a mistake. She's the woman I love. She's the woman I want to be with to the rest of my life. Please, Mom, accept her. Please.
It's okay, son. You can go ahead and marry her. Yes, but you just have to be careful.
I will.
Ugonna. Because a friend of my enemy is also my enemy. I am only allowing you to marry her because she is the woman you want. I am not too comfortable with her relationship with Queen Alice. Please, Ugonna, be careful.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much. You're the best. You're the best. Mom, thank you.
You just have to be careful.
One day, you go on
Trust me now. I told him the bitter truth. Yes, now. Everything I told him today, he will not forget it in a hurry. I told him that one who has a brother is far, 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 far richer than one who has money.
Oh, we're married.
No.
Hey, baby.
I spoke to him in a way, he stood there. He was looking at me. He didn't say anything.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, he will be asking himself, who is this guy? I told him that if he did not help you, that he's a poor man. Because today he has. Tomorrow what will happen? Nobody knows tomorrow.
Hi, baby. You see why I love you?
I cheat.
Yeah, very nice. Hey, very nice.
I also told him that nobody knows tomorrow. That he should help you.
Simple.
Yes, simple. He should help you. That this world, that what goes around comes around. Oh, what the kafan? Oh, Nico like this. Nico like this. Nico like this. Oh, could tell you I spoke to him fearlessly in anger.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
Baby, I am proud of you.
Thank you, my Lord.
I'm proud of you. Why haven't I even thought about this all this while?
Okay.
By now, all this issue would have been a forgotten past. Hey,
baby, guess what?
What?
He has promised to think about it. Trust me now. Me, I will not relent. I will continue to go to his room, begging,
please,
begging.
Take your time
until he does something for us.
Enter. Just take your time,
Okay.
Keep going to his room, Keep brainwashing him, brainwash him until he gives me the money I want.
He must give us.
No, carry on.
He must give us. Me, when I was telling you in the village that I have begging as a talent, you were
I don't believe you have mama in a village. I no longer know why I believe you now. Hi.
My prince, you have done well. This is the news we have been waiting for.
Yes.
Now we can begin a preparation for his coronation.
Yes.
As soon as possible.
Yeah. Yes, Prince Ugonna. This is a good step. May the gods of your ancestors, who has made you worthy of the throne, bless you and continue to guide you.
You see,
I'm happy. This is a welcome development.
And I'm also happy to announce to you all marital preparation is taking place.
Oh yes, that is good.
wonderful.
In that case, we will be of full support in any way we can. I mean, you have our support.
Yes, my prince, we are behind you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Dikeh.
Hold down a Joe. Your eyes go clear one day. And you get go in Lisasia. I will go who you fair labor. My brother gets the money. In my party, your brother money, money, oh. Better go fend for yourself, oh. One day, you go understand, say, now yourself, you dare do. One day, 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 one day. Shine your eyes, oh, Malifa. The person where you think say you just stand with, oh, go fail you one day. Ale melon wanyo, ale melon onye di yamba. Hoke fokwaginanya. Go cry had I know one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. He gave up one day, one day,
Where did you go last night? I woke up in the middle of the night. I could not find you in the room.
Have you forgotten that we had a plan before coming here?
Okay.
I was in the other room praying for your sake, for your brother to have a change of heart.
Yeah.
You know my Bible. My Bible made me to understand that the hearts of every king are in God's hands. That was what I was doing, for your brother to have a change of heart. Yeah. I was doing night vigil for your sake.
Yeah, you were praying for me.
Yes, my love.
God will bless you.
Amen.
God will bless you.
Amen.
God bless you.
Yes, Lord.
Veronica, good morning. How was your night?
Fine. And yours?
Very well. Oh, well, Veronica, I have thought about your case and how to help you. So I decided to give you some amount of money. I want you to venture into any business of your choice.
Okay.
Here is the check. It's 5 million naira.
Give it for 5 million. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. God is 5 million. Give me 5 million. Oh, my brother. My brother. Aye. One more.
God, you are
Baby, eberega walk. Oh, gozi wogi. Aye. Thank you.
I will be much happier if you invest this money wisely.
I will. How can you make the other time? I will invest wisely.
Okay, guys.
God bless you.
I have to run now.
God bless you, Collins. God bless you. God bless you.
Alright. Please make sure you invest wisely.
I will invest wisely. God bless you.
Jesus.
Hey, Jesus, thank you. Baby, your prayer just
are the living God.
Baby, keep praying every night. Pray for me, baby. Baby, keep praying. Baby, 5 million naira.
I told you.
Baby, a very good walk. Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you for praying for me.
Amen.
Baby, keep praying. Keep
Amen.
praying every night, every day.
Amen.
Pray for me.
Amen.
Aye.
I will never stop. Heaven is my target. I will continue to pray for you.
You see what will happen there? There's no point we are wasting time. Just pack your things, let's go back to the village and plan on how to utilize this money.
Listen, Mama.
Where is it?
No. I did vigil last night. This morning I ought to be resting, not to the village or Anako. Let's leave it till end of next weekend.
Next week, what?
Next weekend then.
Why now?
Ajay.
You have said your prayers and your prayers has been answered.
The prayer needs to be working. You got to go.
Baby,
I don't know now or this shallow.
Baby, stand up. Dikeh.
Me, I'm not ready to go. I need to go. What's keeping the food?
Sorry, my princess. Food is almost ready.
It's taking like...
Hey! Where is the fried rice and chicken I asked you to make for me? I'm sorry, my queen. Princess Angela asked me to make masala soup for her. I'm almost done with it. I will.
You will what? Are you stupid? What was that nonsense you just spewed?
I'm sorry, my queen.
Angela what? Is that a name of a person or an animal? What's that supposed? Listen, hey, you're going to go back to that kitchen. Remove that nonsense and make my food for me right now.
Yes, my queen.
Am I understood? And how dare you? Out! How dare you interfere with my cooking? How? If I land you a slap, your head will spin 360 from your neck. Are you raving mad? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? You started growing wings. A girl peeped from the bottom. I will shut up. Oh, you shut up! Shut the fuck up! What would you? Get this out! Get this out! Are you mad? Look at this. Are you
My queen.
what is it?
Princess Angela and the people are fighting.
Where? Now come, let's go.
I have to take my leave.
Okay, my love.
Hello?
What? Fighting? With who? Usonwa. Okay, I'm on my way.
Usonwa is fighting?
Oh, no, please, don't bother yourself. Everything is under control. Let me go over there, okay?
Never any you anything
Hey!
good, 'cause it's so dangerous, so dangerous. Jealousy can never any you anything good. It's so deadly, so deadly. Whatever you do, I'll waste you someday.
Angela, you fighting my wife is disrespectful. It's an insult to me and to the throne. You have no right to fight my wife, Usonwa. I will not take it from you. Never.
This is just the beginning. Talk to your wife. If she doesn't stay within her lane, it will be too difficult for me and her in this palace.
Angela, the next time you lay your filthy hands on Usonwa, my wife, you have me to contend with. I will not let you go away with it. Okay? Angela, Usonwa is my wife and a queen in the palace, so she deserves some respect.
This is just the beginning. She doesn't know what she's in for. Talk to her. She should stay within her lane. Else, this palace will be too hot for she and I. Some stupid riffraffs. Things they can come from nowhere and block.
Be careful.
Talk some sense into your stupid wife. Stupid set of people everywhere.
Angela.
Mother.
I have told you to stay away from Usonwa. I will not tell you again. That girl has mental disorder. Who doesn't know that Usonwa is a mad girl? Stay away from her. She will injure you one day. Don't say I did not warn you.
Mom, if she's mad, I am worse than her. So I should be scared of Usonwa or whatever she calls herself in this palace? Never! Please.
I have warned you. Don't say I did not.
Please, mother. Please. Please.
Chief, the point is that I don't want to touch the money for now.
Okay.
I don't want to touch it.
Okay,
I'm still thinking on what business I will invest in. You understand? Though Kenneth suggested I buy Keke and put it on hire purchase.
Okay.
But we want about that business. No, I don't like it. Huh? You know, all these Keke people, you know, before you know it, they might run away with my Keke. And the whole money are now.
You go hammer out case where tafu with it.
The quaka abambo to no way, abakwa to no way.
Buzizo we have it.
Understand?
You have a point. Have a point. Ezumo. Ezumo. Mano mo. Baby mo. Love na name.
Jirinwa. You got the money there.
I know. I know. You know, I've been waiting since to see if you will do the right thing. I knew how I suffered, begged, before your brother could agree to release that money.
I tried. Yeah, you tried. You tried.
I tried. I tried, no be small. But it's not about trying.
Okay.
It's about you giving me my share.
Your share?
What's in my share?
How?
Hey, Mama.
That money is for business. Why sharing?
I know you're joking. You're joking.
No, I'm not joking. That money was given to me to start up business. Huh?
Wait, Ebuka. As in, you're not even planning to give me anything. Anything out of mini. Ebuka, you're very wicked. Ebuka, you're stingy.
Why are you sounding like this? You were the one that told me that you have free gift of begging. God gave you gift to beg. Why are you now putting a price tag to the begging, to the free gift? Does it make sense?
Free gift. How then do I survive?
Yeah.
This world, I came to this world for you. No, Ebuka, don't joke with me. Don't try me.
You're very serious.
Don't try me.
You're very serious.
I am even more serious than you think. What do you mean? I knew how I suffered. Beg. Upon all the insults he gave me.
So if my mother were to be at home, this is what you will be telling her.
Your mother too will understand that
Stop saying this.
Don't even go there with me. Don't go there. I will change it for you. Don't joke with me when it comes to money. Money.
That I should share the money my brother gave to me to start up business with you.
Why then didn't your brother give you the money since that time? I entered the picture. Your brother gave you the money. You know, I call him shit. Don't joke with me. Give my own share of the money or not call him
It's okay. It's okay. After all, the money is still in your account. Whenever I'm ready to start up the business, it's still both of us that will go to the bank and withdraw the money. There's no how I will withdraw the whole money. I will not leave something in your account. This is now we.
I was thinking, no, don't go there. Don't go there. It's children are the ones that we with. Adults don't we. Adults urinate.
What I mean is that my thing is your thing.
Buka, don't go there. When it comes to we'll do it that. But this one, you have to give myself the money.
This is we. This is we.
Don't tell me we. It's not we. It's I. Do you know how I suffered? Yokata before your brother released that money. No level now.
Yeah.
Nonsense. What nonsense? What rubbish? What is it? No, what is it?
Please calm, okay?
What is what?
Please calm down, okay? Please.
I told you. She has started again. One day she will break their heads. Oh, hail the queen.
Usonwa, the mad girl. They can go ahead and kill themselves. I don't care.
Did you hear that? Oh my God. Please, my dear daughter. Stay away from this girl. She is dangerous. Please.
Who is scared of her? Me? I'm not, though. In this palace.
You should be, my dear. Please, for my sake, stay away from her.
One day, you go understand, say, now yourself, you dare do. One day.
Mama, come put out. No? Mama, we have been in this house together since morning now. Why calling me back now that I want to go out?
Don't worry, come. After I might have discussed what I want, you can still go out.
Yeah.
Sit down.
I should sit down, Kwa.
Ibuka, I'm worried about you. You know, it's been 2 months now. Your brother gave you 5 million to start business with. And up till now, you have not started anything. You have not invested the money. You just kept it. And you know, delay is dangerous. Anything can happen. So I'm not comfortable with you keeping that money somewhere without investing it.
Mama, there is nothing to worry about. Nothing. The money is in a safe hands. As a matter of fact, for you to know how serious I am this time, I had to keep the money in Chikwado's account. Depending when I'm ready to use it.
What? Chikwado's account? What happened to your own account? Why should you put it in her own?
No, Mama, you don't understand. See, I am a changed man. Because if it is in my own account, maybe by now, I'm very serious. I want to go into a business. Venture into this business that is very lucrative. And I wouldn't want to find any shishi when I'm ready.
Well, if you say the money is safe with Chikwado, no problem. But Okay. Then why the delay? Why have you not, as in, thought of something to do with it?
Mama, that one has been taken care of. Who told you? Me. So what have I been doing? It has been taken care of. That's why I was on my way to Chikwado's house to see her, get the money, put it in my account. It's been 2 weeks she traveled to the city. And she was supposed to be back yesterday or even today. So let me go and confirm. If she's back, I'll get the money, put it in my account, and then go to Cotonou to...
Cotonou again? Hey! Ebuka, don't tell me no one another ukwu na Cotonou na targeting.
Mama, I'm a changed person. Mama, I'm a changed person. I'm telling you, I'm a changed person. Why you Cotonou man reason me again? You don't need to bother. Don't need to bother. I am the one who wants to become a better person. Yes, and I'm ready to do it. Despite the uku. Mama, let me tell you something. No? It is better you support me to go to Cotonou, where I have familiar uku that will not deceive me. If I go to another country now, the uku will now be new. Those Cotonou women cannot deceive me again. They are familiar uku, I already know them. If I go to Cotonou now, I will buy things. I will buy okreka.
Okreka kwa? Okreka business. Is there money in it? When I go there?
Mama, putaba. No, okreka can go now. Okreka business is very lucrative. If I go to Cotonou now, I will buy okreka top, okreka down, okreka pint and bra, okreka this, okreka that. Mama, don't you know that all the slave queens, all those girls you see slaying, what they wear is okreka clothes. They will go buy okreka, wash it, iron it, now spray it, perfume. When you see them on the road, you'll be admiring them. And hey, this girl is looking rich, is looking beautiful. Okreka kahane. Remember Jude now? Can't you see how well Jude is doing? Okreka ka Jude nele. He deals on okreka clothes. He's even putting blocks for his own house now. Trying to erect his own house. Jude even wear bill to people far and near. All those girls, Mandela Lagos, Sokoto, everybody's calling him. Wear bill. He will weigh bill. And now this is a computer age. With my phone, my WhatsApp, I'll be sampling it. That is how I'll be weigh to people. And money will be coming.
If it is okreka that you will do, you know you don't have to invest much money. You will give me part of the money. I will use it and be useful for myself.
My mother will go to business. Let me tell you something. The more you invest in a business, the bigger profit you make. You don't know. If people that go to Cotonou to buy okreka, if they are using 1 million naira, I will use 2 million. If it's 2 million, I will use 4 million naira. That is how my profit will multiply. When I make the profits now, like let's say I use 4 million naira now to buy things, I might have gained 4 million times 10. Check it now. I have gained 4 million times 10, and the profit will be very large.
And from that profit, you give me.
From profit, I'll give you.
Never anything good. It's so deadly.
Sleepy her. Wakey. The sleeping angel. Come on, wake up. Babe, come on, wake up. It's afternoon already. Come on, wake up.
I said leave me!
It's afternoon already, you're still sleeping. Come on, wake up.
Why are you being a pest? I said leave me alone! Leave me alone! Are you okay? Can't you see I'm sleeping? Leave me alone, get out of my room! Go outside!
It's okay, my dear. It's okay.
I want to sleep! What? Out. Sleep. I want to sleep till night. I'll sleep till night. None of your business. My house.
Anybody home? Chikwado. Chikwado.
Good afternoon, Ebuka.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What brings you here? Chikwado is not yet back.
She's not yet back? Yes. It's been 2 weeks she traveled. She told me she would be back yesterday or today. And I've been calling her line, it's not going. When is she coming back?
I don't know. She didn't tell me anything about that.
She didn't tell you anything about that?
Yes. Hope everything is okay. This is why you're asking me.
No, why I'm saying is because your sister is with my money. She's with my 5 million naira.
Ebuka.
She didn't tell you? Have you guys not been talking? Because I've been calling her line for the past 1 week. It has not been going through. I know both of you must have been talking. Call her on the phone. Tell her I am here. I want to speak with her.
Ebuka, I gave my sister 5 million naira.
No.
To keep for you as what? A bank or credit union?
Is she not my girlfriend again?
Hey. Well, my phone fell into fire 4 days ago. And I can't access her number anymore since I don't have a phone.
You can't access her number anymore?
The person where you think say you just stand with go fail you one day. For you go cry hard, I know one day, one day.
Sit, the food is getting cold.
Yeah, I haven't eaten because I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry. You that has not eaten since morning. Or probably there's some factors in your body that makes you not to be hungry. But you know that your body needs food to function effectively.
What factors are you talking about? Starting from you.
Maybe because I have given you enough love. It's past few days, so you're no longer hungry.
Oh God, you want to spoil old man like?
Come on, my love. It's time for you to eat, right? You are my baby. It's my duty to spoil you. So, it's time for you to eat.
I think you need to get water first.
Oh, my bad. Sorry, my love. Let me get you water.
One day, you go understand, say, now yourself, you dare do. One day, 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 you go understand well. Shine your eyes, oh, Malifa. The person where you think say you just stand with, oh, go fail you one day. You go cry hard, I know one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, you get back one day, one day, one day, one day,
Honey.
Yeah.
I already said I'm sorry. Listen, I am really, really sorry. I've said it like 100 times. Forgive me, please.
It's okay. I'm not angry with you anymore. I mean, how can I be angry with the love of my life?
Are you kidding me?
I am.
For real,
serious.
you're no longer angry with me?
I'm not.
Thank you, baby.
See, I'm not supposed to be angry with you. You're the love of my life. You're beautiful. You're a good girl. I mean, it's only a devil that will be angry with a goddess like you.
And you know what? I love you so much.
No, I love you more.
Even more than you do. Of course not. No.
Don't even go there.
I love you more.
Hey.
Happy now.
Will you go and park your car properly? I want to go out.
Who are you talking to? Huh?
Hey.
Do you know you're talking to my wife?
What is going on here?
Are you stupid?
A crowd for me.
Slap you again if you don't shut your mouth. She's my wife!
Ugonna, start behaving yourself properly in this palace because of this stupid girl.
This lady called stupid girl is my wife and the queen of this village.
Ugonna, do you realize I am your senior sister?
Then watch your mouth.
Better watch it. Watch it, Ugonna! Because of this stupid girl, if you try it again, you will not know what to hit you. Ugonna! How dare you slap my daughter? Don't you ever lay your filthy hands on her again. Do you realize she's your elder sister? And so what? An elder sister that does not have a common sense is nothing. My queen, she should go and thank her stars that I'm in a very good mood today. If not, I would have beaten her. You see, blue, black, green, yellow, all the colors. This her nonsense purple yellow color, she will turn into something else. It's yours. Foolish thing. Ugonna. No, honey. Ugonna. Okay. Better talk to your wife.
You're talking to my wife. Be careful.
What, please?
Yeah, it's okay.
Honey, please.
It's okay. Huh?
Ebuka, tell me it's not true. Mba. It's not true, right?
Mama, I am confused myself. I just hope it's not true. The whole money is in Chikwado's account. The whole 5 million naira is in her account.
Ebuka, how could you? What will Colin say if he finds out? I know how difficult it was getting that money from him. We begged before Ogopota that 5 million. But how could you make such a mistake? How could you entrust a whole 5 million naira into Chikwado's hand? What happened to your account number as I asked you earlier on? Why did you not even put it into my own account, your own mother? You know I want your goodwill. You did not even ask your brother to keep it in his account till when you are ready. You entrusted it into a stranger's hand, a local girl.
Mama, this is not the time to apportion blames. This is not the time to apportion blames. We all make mistakes. How could I have known that Chikwado has such a dubious character? How could I have known? We all trusted her. I trusted Chikwado. It's Chikwado we are talking about, though. You even trusted her.
I didn't trust her. I trust Ramia Mancha.
Hi. Even if a soothsayer told me Chikwado would do a thing like this, I wouldn't have believed him.
Yes, you would not have believed him because you were stupid, senseless, and useless. Yes, you think through your anus instead of through your brain. Mbano off your gun. Omego, Nenia, Ibegi na Ganuta, Manobue, a local girl, and not put 5 million naira because need is stupid, this useless. I have seen that you cannot amount to anything in life. Mama, you just stop. Came to this life to waste things.
Mama, stop, Biko.
Imagine. A local champion, local girl. Chipadon of yesterday. Anapuego. Ina Zutugari. Ana local champion. You go Amogu. Ndoza, Ana the master. Chipadon again. Abo master to you. Bring the 5 million, oh. Bring it, oh. Chibadu, 5 million.
You are my daughter, my blood, my own seed, my offspring.
Abia.
You know how hard we work to bring you here. Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't mess up. Don't ruin it. Please.
Mama, are you talking to me? No, Mama, I want to understand something. Are you talking to me? Did you come all the way to say this to me? Mama, you want me dead? No. No, you want me to die. But no problem. I will help you and make it easier.
Usonwa.
No, don't tell me that.
Usonwa, you are my daughter. You will not die.
Mama, you want me dead?
God forbid.
Come on, Mama. Mama, you want me